In external folder, one file style.css. And one more file, home.html. So CSS file separate and HTML file separate. Separate CSS and separate HTML. Okay, next after that, you can come to the CSS file for body tag, write margin 0px. And for H1 tag, font size 80px and text align center color red. This is for H1. Now you can see CSS file is separate and HTML file is separate. Both we have to link. HTML we have to link with CSS. So how it will be? Let's come to the home.html file. .html file. HTML we can open close. Head we can open close. Body also you can open close. Under the head you will write link tag. There you will define what type of file you are going to call using rel property. Rel equal to a style set. href equal to your style dot CSS. Okay, done. Now come inside the page, write the H1. Right here, welcome home. Save it. Run the page. CSS is getting applied or not. Both files should be saved. Your file must be saved. Look like this. H1 color is applied. That means CSS and HTML linked together. Now come to the same file. same CSS file now, you will be connecting with the multiple pages. So one CSS and many HTML. Okay? Not in current file. This file is a separate. CSS is separate. You will change one place, CSS, it will reflect in all the pages. Now let's write again ULLI. Follow for UL ID equal to menu. Write inside li a href equal to current file home dot html home next file service.html our services next file contact.html contact us next file login.html login one more file one more link register.html create new account. Now CSS we have to write. H1 you can use inside section tag so that it will be organized properly for the other page as well. Section is open and close. You will write ID equal to container. ID equal to container. Safe now. We need to create this all the pages, service, contact, login, register, and same content copy and paste in all. And change the heading, our services, contact us, login, create new account. Okay, so copy the same content and paste in service, contact, login, and register. Means we have to create the pages and then we will see same CSS is getting applied all places or not. Okay, hope done. Copy this same thing and paste in all the files. What are the files? Next file is called service.html. Service.html. We can write here call our services. Next file will be called content.html. Contact us. Next file will be called login.html. We can write here for login. Next file will be register.html. Register.html. Everywhere we are calling the same CSS. Style.css remain same in the register, login, contact, service, and home. Right? So what should be done is when we run the page, okay, when we run the page, everywhere the same CSS will get applied. If we change in the style.css file, all the files will have similar design. You can check once. Service, contact, login, create new account, right? Everywhere CSS remain same. So this is also called one-to-many, but project level. This is also called one-to-many, but project level completely. Okay. Complete in project one CSS file. Modify one place. It will reflect other place. Okay. Go next. Now we'll come to the. So your HTML part is done. Have you copied and created all the files? You can look into your chat. I have messaged you something. Next, come to the CSS then. In the CSS file, color is red will change to green and will identify whether happening all the places or not. H1 color is green, will see everywhere happening or not. You can see here, go to any file, everywhere color is green, color is green, color is green. Come to the CSS file. After body tag, write the CSS for hash menu. Background of menu, you can keep dark blue color. Then padding of menu, somewhere 15 pixel, 18 pixel you can give. Again, text aligned inside the menu, text hyphen ALIGN, center. Hash menu, space li, hash menu space li, hash menu space li, display as a in a line is okay, and padding outside is for UL you have written 18, so give from the top as a somewhere 18 only, 18 px, left right give 25 pixel, bottom also give as a how much 18 px. Then whichever the A tag you have under the menu, you have li with the A tag. There you will write color as white color, and then text hyphen decoration as none, and font hyphen weight bold. Font weight not bold, font size you write here. Font size keep somewhere 22. Yes. Font size 22. Yes. Take now in all the pages, the CSS design should be same. If you go to any page, correct, menu will come on the top, and then something like this. So we wrote one place and it's got apply all the places. Wherever you call this file, everywhere under the menu LIA will live in look similar. Text align center you are given in menu. Let me remove it and see where and how it looks. In menu, text align center was there. If I remove, it's come in the left side. That is also okay. So your wish, left, right, wherever you want to display, you can manage it. Okay, done. Now come to the home file, and from home file we can design some layouts. We need to see the font awesome icon also. Okay, we have one ID called container. For this container, you write the CSS. For container, you write the CSS. So till here, menu of everything is working. Menu. You can write here as container. In that container, you can use width 80%, margin auto, and we have a height property. In that, we have a type called mean height. Mean height assume 600. So this will take minimum 600 of height. 650 you can do. Okay, so your container will take total 650 pixel height minimum. If you have more content, it will increase automatically. In case if you have more content, it will increase automatically. Now we need to write one CSS for footer also. Footer also we can place in the last. Footer tag. Background, blue color. Padding, 20 pixel, 25 pixel you can write. Text align, center you can give. Text align center. Next, after that, color should be blue color. Color should be blue color. And then minimum height of footer, or not minimum height, just fixed the height 150 pixel for footer. So wherever we call the footer, inside the footer, color blue here written. You should write white. White. Okay. White. Height 150 pixel. Padding 25 pixel. Footer we have added, if not added. So come to the first file, home file. After section tag, add footer. In footer, you can write some name, keep one paragraph, UI master. After the paragraph, write one more p tag. Under that p tag, write some text A, href, terms and conditions, terms of use, privacy and policy. Okay. Help center. Help center. So now footer, we can see in home file, it will come, but text is same color, right? Text is blue and this is also coming somewhere blue. It's not visible properly. So we have to do something. Height is also more look like container height. We need to reduce little. Okay, so come now to the CSS. We can adjust first everything for the home file. Then we can write for the CSS. We can copy paste in all the files. Nice. Same footer we can copy and paste in all the files. Okay, then now come to the CSS file. So this all list we have written. Come to the CSS file and for container reduce the height to 600 per container. For container, you can reduce the height to 600, even less, 550. You can check in your screen till where it is fitting. Some part of footer should be visible like this. You can see some portion is visible in my section, my screen. Check in your screen how much is going to fit. I'll try 525. So header and some portion of footer should be visible, something else. So height of your screen will be difference. So you can change that and check once. Header should be visible and some portion of footer should be visible. Now inside the footer we have written CSS. Color we have written is okay, let it be. If you feel like it's very dark, then you can convert into black. If you feel very highlighted, you can convert into black. So header is already blue color. Footer also blue, look little odd. Footer you can make little dark color, black color. Happening. Black. Now we can give some space between these links. The links are there, space is required. Now coming to the next, footer of A. Footer of A. Inside the footer, if you have any E tag, that color should be white color, and it should have little margin from left side, 35 pixel nearly. Margin from left, 35 px nearly. Should look like this. Gap got applied. Remove underline, then it may look more better. So how to remove? Text decoration, none. None. Text decoration, none. Okay, so text decoration, none. Right? So it should look like this. Underline is gone. Okay, so hope it look like this. Now the same footer you can keep in all the files. Go to your page, home file, and footer you can copy and paste in all the pages after section tag. After section tag, you can paste the footer in all the pages. After section tag, footer you can paste in all the pages. After section, you can paste the footer in all the pages. Okay, so that in all the pages you will have the footer as a same design. Keep the footer in all the pages. We have written how section is only to container. Same is only UMPAI. Now next, footer will come middle of the screen because you have not written the CSS properly for container. Okay, container CSS is not proper because of that. You can increase this height if you want. This is the CSS of container. You can replace it as well as make sure the spelling what you have written here. Or send the code of your home file. I will guide you. What is the problem? Not photo. Not photo I'm talking. I'm talking in the Zoom chat. In Zoom chat, if you send the code, I will guide you what is the problem. Send the code of home file, will guide you. Send the CSS code of container. This is not CSS code of container. Okay. Mean height 400 you have given, increase that. For container, mean height is 400, increase that. Make it 600 and then check. Mean height 600 and then check. I asked you to send the HTML code. You are sending entire CSS code. No, don't do R&D your own. Send the HTML code, home file. Container ID equal to con. What we are written is container section ID container container end here. What is the height for footer? Not footer. Height for container. Height container. Height for container you are given 400. Mean height. Mean HAIGST. Mean height 400. Convert to 600 and then check. Mean height 400. Replace by 600 then check. Okay, let's go ahead. So the footer header is ready in all the pages. Links are also ready in all the pages. Next, we need to do the next R&D. Next R&D like what? Suppose this home we have written, before home there should be home icon. Before service there should be service icon. Before contact there should be contact icon, right? So for that we require to download the library, font awesome library, and then we can link with the files. After that it will work. Okay, then we can link with the file. After that it will work. So what to do for that? Come to the internet. You need to connect now your system with the network, internet. We have to download 6 MB of one folder. Okay, connected. Let's open the website fontawesome.com. Fontawesome.com. FONTAWESOME. Fontawesome.com. Sent you the opened website fontawesome.com. After that, you will click on icon. Icon link is there. Then it will show you some models, what type of icons they have, how that look, right? You can see these types of icons are available. These types of different designs of icons, right? This brand related, we can use these icons inside our project. But in that, some icons are free icon and some icons are paid icon. Okay, some are free, some are paid. So you can see total are this many. This is the new icons. These all are the categories, and this is the free one. 2018 icons are free one. So this they written like free and open source icon. Anyone can download and use that. So click on that free icons. In free icon, you can see these all are the free icons. It is somewhere 2018 total count, as they said. Even in that also there is a category wise. You can see category wise related to suppose if you want to get some icon related to building construction, you can see there is called building. If you click on that, it will show you all icons related to construction and building, right? Next, coming down, if you click on business, it will show you something related to business, industry, building, landmark, city, correct? So we need to understand these icons, how to use. Okay, these icons, how to use in the project. When this library was not in the market, web designer, the profile used to call it web designer. Web designer people should know the Photoshop. For what purpose? Design these icons, logo, icon, banner. Okay, design and then use it. But when Bootstrap came in the market, Bootstrap came with some new icon like this, free of cost. Then the Bootstrap become popular, free of cost people use. People become used to of using the free icons. Bootstrap stopped their working on the icon. They started working on only designing part. Okay, responsive design. And they put little less effort on the icon part. Okay, like these companies, 3-4 companies are there that design this type of icons. This company started their business itself. Okay, saying like, let's design the only icon. Bootstrap given the design part. Let's put our design in the market. Okay. Then industry splitted the people into the 2 part. Okay. Wherever we have more marketing work, like suppose a person will join in the common floor as a UI developer. Okay, not UI developer. UI developer work will be different. Graphics designer. Market split the work in 2 ways. One who are expertise in graphics, Photoshop tool and all, they should become a graphics designer. The person who are good in the coding, they should become a UI developer. Now graphics designer will design the image. And that image will be given to UI developer. UI developer will design the HTML and CSS according to photo. Okay. Now what will happen? Icons companies are different. In industry, designer is different. Developer is, UI developer is different. So the company who need only Photoshop related work, like common floor, always new building will come. They need to design new banners. So those kind of company will hire the graphics designer. Printing press, where the people design the photos and all, banner board, signing board, company boards. Okay, they need graphics designers. Now coming to the software development. Now in software development, if a person will ask, design an icon like this in Photoshop, it will take half days. Okay, in that half day also it may work in all the browser, it may not work. Okay, and this is designed by expert, tested already, entire world is using, and that is in free of cost. Now what do you think? Company will ask you to sit and design, or they'll say free of cost, use in 2 minutes. Because we are sitting in the industry, chair not free of cost. You are sitting on the chair, you are taking the money. So that the duration what you are sitting, you are being paid for that. Now company will think, why can't we give him some ready-made library so that he can implement in half an hour and work will be ready, instead of sitting 3 days and designing one icon. Correct or not? Now see, this kind of designs, icons are common in all the projects. Correct? You need to display arrow mark, you need to display the phone symbol, home symbol, upload icon, download icon. This, can you see these icons? Common icons required in all the project. So this company, this kind of company, they design only icons. Maybe they will have graphics designer or something, they'll do, they'll develop and they'll sell in the market. Okay. Now company, free we can use here, but some, if you want to customize something, you have to pay for that. Right? So this company will give something in the free and something is paid. If your company is developing a project, commercial project, advised not to use the free source. You should use the paid one. So that tomorrow they should not claim, you are using my library, This is the free, but this is the paid. For this penalty 5 lakh. Okay. That way happen in the market. Once you join the big company, once your project is ready, everything, before releasing, before handover to the client, legal team will come and they will ask every developer or maybe your manager only will ask, what are the library you have used? Okay. Version wise, make Excel and send me. Now you will check in all the pages, what are the library you have downloaded and installed, which version is that, all the name we need to submit to the manager. Manager will submit to the legal team. Now legal team will check whether we have license for this or not. If the license is there, then no problem. Version wise, okay. If license is not there, they need to buy it. If the cost is going out of the project budget, then same manager will come, say like, Ganesh, instead of this, can we use some other library? Understood? Because the library you have used is a huge cost and the client is not able to pay that much. So we have to change our library itself. Okay. That's how people manage it. This happened for the level company. Okay. Who is able to penalize. It's not like a freelancer has started the company and tomorrow someone will complain, he will shut down everything. Correct or not? Like suppose someone will send a notice to the particular XYZ MNC company saying like, you are using my library in particular project and I have a list that you have not purchased my license. For that, due to without information usage and all this, that, under this section, that section, penalty 10 lakh. Now what do you think? Company cannot close the company. It's a big level company. Okay, I donate 10 lakh. Right? So what will happen? The library was maybe 50,000 rupees and without informing and using the hidden happen in the penalty, right? So those all are the part of the business and industry. Okay. So next, okay, leave that. Once you come on the floor somewhere in the companies, automatically will come to know. We need to download this and we need to understand how to use that. Okay. Version is also there. 5, 4 and other version will download the recent. Okay. Now how to use this, once we see, then will come. See this checkbox is there. You want to use this kind of checkbox. Click on this. After clicking on that, you can see 3 languages they have given the code. In HTML, if you want to use, copy this line and paste. This kind of checkbox will come. In React, if you want to use, you have to do the installation. After that, this line you copy and paste, icon will come. In Vue.js, if you want to use, then do the setup of Vue.js and all, and copy and paste this icon, it will come line. Okay, so it is based on, like it's a CSS library only, class based. All are based on class. Close this pop-up. Again, go back to the home file, home link where it was. Okay, or fontawesome.com/download also we can write. Fontawesome.com/download. /download you add. Fontawesome.com/download. Okay, got it. Come down. You will see option called Pro for Web, paid one. Right side Pro for desktop application, like PhonePe you have. Those kind of option, those kind of application you are developing. Desktop application we are using here. Suppose I am using the Notepad++. In that you can see icons are there on the top. This type of icon if you want to develop in a web desktop application, then for that version is different here. Free for desktop and pro for desktop. But we are developing the web application, so we can download free for web. Click on that, it will download. So hope you downloaded. It's a zip file, zip folder. We need to extract it. After downloading, you need to extract it. If you go somewhere, you will miss out the Afroj. No, Firoj. This is the URL. Click on that. And then click on free for web. I sent you link also, download link. Just click on second link. It will download directly. Link is sent. You can download it. After downloading, you need to extract it. You can do right click and extract here. Right click, download it. After downloading, right click and extract here. Once you extract, let me know once in the chat. After downloading, right click, extract all. After extracting, you can ping me once. Okay, so this is the folder, right? Look inside the folder what we have. Fonts, less, metadata, something like this. So the main folder, this is the main folder. Inside the main folder, we have something like this. So container of this folder is your font on this one. You can copy this and paste into your external CSS. Copy this folder and paste into external CSS. Complete folder. Complete folder we need to copy and paste in external CSS. After that, this folder name folder should have something like this. Again, you can check. Then this font or some folder you rename as a icon. Rename as a icon. Rename the folder as a icon. Okay, folder is renamed as a icon. Inside the icon folder, under the CSS folder. Inside the icon folder, you have a CSS folder. In the CSS folder, we have a file all.css. This file is required. Okay, this file is required. Which file? All.css. All.css file will be required. Not MIN, it's called min file, minified. All.css, not all.min. All.css is equal. We will not delete this. These all are supporting files. Okay, so we will be calling all.css. So in all.css, classes are written, huge classes are written. You can open and check it. All.css file you open and see inside. Okay. You can open and see so many classes are written inside. FA, FAR, FAS, FAB, something, something. And those classes are here. Those classes are here. After half this all, let's come here. You can see here. Minus a square will give minus a square symbol. You can see minus a square minus something different symbols. See, these all are the name of the classes. This class name we are going to call. And for that, contents are this. This content will be encrypted content. This will be available in some file. There, for this content, some kind of something will be written. Now we need to call this all.css file in our home file, and there we will understand how to use this all.css. Come to the home file and add one more link in the beginning. Icon /css /all.css. Icon css all.css. Icon css all.css. Icon css all.css. Okay, now come down. After calling that, after h1 you will write one I tag. For that to write class equal to FA. Also you can write FA is the first class name, compulsory you have to write. In case if you are calling any kind of brand name, you will call FAB, FAR. Many classes are written in this. See, initial class are this FA, FA classic. These all are the different type of font, different type of fonts. If you want to call any brand name, FAB will call, that will also work. FA here written, FAB is also here. Okay. Now come here IFA space FA hyphen desktop. Save it. You will see one small desktop icon should appear. A small desktop icon will appear in home file. Should appear in home file. Desktop icon appear. We can resize that using the again classes are there. Suppose if I write FA-1x, that represents 16 pixel font size. FA1x 16 pixel, 2x 32 pixel, 3 16 into 3 pixel. It will go till 10x. So 10 into 16 pixel. That is the font size. So minimum is 1x and maximum is 10x. So you can write and check here 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x and see. Really work on that. 2x, 3x, 4x. It will give you different type of font size. Desktop remains same, but the size will be different. Size. So this way, while using we will use the same wherever we want, I tag open close. After that, FA, FAB or FAR. You can write below one brand icon also, FAB. Right here, FA Facebook. Similar way, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all are available. FAB you can start and then check should work. For brand name, initial class will be FAB. Should look like this. Working. Next, color and all will be our own CSS. Color related classes are not exist. Color we have to write our own class and for here. Tomorrow this icon we will use under the links. Before home, home icon. Before service, tools icon. Before contact us, map icon. Before login, log icon. Before create account, user symbol, user plus symbol. So then it will look like proper. Okay. So CSS, that assignment is going on or completed. In that LMS, some CSS assignment you have, no? Try that. Okay, so you can try that. It will be helpful. Okay, so for whom it is not working? Anyone? Icon is coming for you or not? We imported here the link after downloading and keeping. Then we imported here using the I tag. It should work. It will be there. Right, bus, truck, building, laptop, mobile, everything is there. Common day-to-day life word, everything. If something is not exist, -o you can apply. Maybe in the old version it is there. -o represent old version. That line of code in the website icon we can read. Why FAB class for Facebook? That I don't know. Why that? But it is that. Which class? FAB. FAB for the brand icon. The people who have made, they have splitted B for brand and normal FA for normal icon. That library is not made by me, it's made by their developer, but FAB will be helpful. FAB will be working with a brand name and FA will work for the normal class. Those classes are written in that all.css file. We are calling directly and we are using it. Okay, thank you.